Although it still feels very much like summer here in Cali, fall is still approaching and seasonal changes can challenge our immune system, even here on the West Coast, when the weather isn't quite just giving us sweater vibes just yet. Today, I want to share with you my top fall immunity herbs so you can start building your wellness routine right now and to help keep your immune system strong and resilient. In traditional Chinese medicine or TCM, fall is closely associated with the lungs and the large intestines, as well as the metal element. And metal symbolizes refinement and purification. It's naturally found in earth, mixed with rock, dirt, and minerals, and brought to its purest form through heating and hammering. In the same way, our lungs refine the air we breathe, taking in what we need and releasing what we don't. Greetings, everyone. I am Mignon, the herbal scientist. I hold my master's degree in molecular biology, and I've studied natural medicine from the perspective of our ancestors. And I am the founder of Herbal Holistic Wellness and the Herbal Holistic Science Academy, where I blend science, history, and tradition to help you live a holistic lifestyle. If this is your niche, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. Just like metal refines and purifies, our lungs help keep our bodies clear and strong. This is also the season of letting go physically and emotionally, which is why grief is tied to lung health in TCM. And with me being a practitioner of Ifa, also think about Ogun, the Rishi of iron, metal, and technology. His energy clears obstacles and cuts through stagnation and brings order. That's the same way our lungs prepare and protect us from the season ahead. First up is Astragalus. This is one of my favorite immune tonics. It contains polysaccharides, saponins, and flavonoids. Polysaccharides are natural sugars that help your immune cells communicate. Saponins are plant compounds that support immune and heart health. And flavonoids are antioxidants that protect your cells from everyday wear and tear. These compounds are going to activate macrophages, which is your body's cleanup crew, and natural killer cells that destroy harmful invaders. Astragalus is also going to help regulate cytokines, and you can think of them like text messages your immune system sends to say, attack or let's calm down. The takeaway is that Astragalus is excellent for long-term immune strength and resilience. Next is Rishi, also called the mushroom of immortality. It's rich in beta-glucans, which are fibers that help immune cells work efficiently, and triterpenes, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Reishi also influences NFKB, which is an on and off switch for inflammation, and boosts SOD, an enzyme that clears harmful free radicals. So the takeaway for Reishi is that it's going to help balance the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect your cells from stress-related damage. Scassandra is called the 5-flavor berry because it has sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and pungent taste all in one. It contains lignans that protects liver and help regulate hormones. It's also an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body to adapt to stress. Scassandra is going to support the HPA axis, the brain pituitary adrenal connection that manages stress and improves oxygen utilization, so your body uses oxygen more efficiently during activity or recovery. So Schisandra essentially is going to help you handle stress better while supporting lung and liver health. Next, we have ginger root, and it just isn't for cooking. It's a powerful immune ally. Its main compounds, gingerols and shagiols, which is going to reduce inflammation by working on COX and LOX enzymes, which control chemicals that create swelling and pain. It also supports healthy circulation and improves digestion, which plays a big role in overall immunity. So ginger is going to warm, energize, and help keep inflammation in check. Finally, licorice root, which is nature's soother. It contains glycyrrhizin, which boosts interferons, which is a protein that helps fight viruses. It slows down viral replication. And licorice root is a demulcent, meaning it forms a protective coating over irritated tissues in your throat, lungs, and digestive tracts. And the takeaway for licorice root is that it's going to calm and protect your respiratory system while gently boosting immune defenses. These 5 herbs, Astragalus, Reishi, Schisandra, ginger, and licorice, Each work in unique ways, but together they create a powerful toolkit for immune resilience. So which one of these herbs will you be adding to your routine, or which one are you already using already? Let me know in the comments so we can start a herbal conversation. But if you like to try my herbal tea blends, my website is linked in the description, herbalholisticwellness.com, along with my Herbal Holistic Science Academy. This is just the beginning, and I'll be sharing more videos on herbal medicine, seasonal wellness, spirituality, and holistic living. So subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Until next time, stay well, stay connected, light, love, and health.